am back. So I am coming to you today with a perfume video, and this is going to be featuring Dossier, which is why we are at the perfume cabinet. And I did film a full perfume collection for y'all, so that's coming up too as well. So let's jump into the video. So I got some new items from Dossier to review for y'all. And if y'all don't know, Dossier is a company that remakes other high-end perfumes. So if you have, I don't know, for example, let's just say you have this Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume, which is quite expensive, and you wanted to try it first at a cheaper price. Dossier makes different perfumes, not particularly this one, but I'm just saying other perfumes in general. They have high-end brands that you can test out. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little example. So these are the boxes that I have. Let me just show you how it comes. The box is different from how it used to look, so let me just show you. This is the outside packaging of the box. It's white, nice and sleek, and it says Dossier at the bottom of the box. And then once you open it up, this is how it is displayed on the inside. So at the top it says the fair alternative to luxury perfumes, which is just like what I was telling you. So inside of here you have your actual perfume, and then you have your sample, and also inside of there you do get a card that gives you the info on the actual perfume that you have chosen. So this first one is the Chanel's Gabrielle, and this one is called Floral 4 because they don't actually use the name of the particular perfume that's being remade. They kind of use the notes and name it around that. So this one is called Floral 4, and the notes in this perfume are mandarin, grapefruit, neroli, cassis, bergamot. The middle notes are tuberose, jasmine, orange blossom, and then the base is sandalwood and white musk. So okay, so inside of the box you do get a 50 ml bottle, which is the large bottle, and it's 1.7 ounces, but you do get a sample as well. So whenever you get your package in, you can test out the sample, and then if you don't like it, you can send it back in. You don't have to keep it. So it gives you a sample to try out first. Like I was saying, I already told y'all the notes, but this one is made after Chanel's Gabrielle, and it is called Floral 4. So I haven't never tried this scent before. The ones that I have this time I've never tried, so I don't have the original to compare the scents, but all of the ones that I have gotten in the past that I already own, the original perfumes, they smell exactly the same. So I wasn't even really worried about that at this point. I just wanted to try some new scents that I've never tried. So both of the ones that I have are a Chanel fragrance. So this one is Chanel's Gabrielle, like I said, and it is Floral 4. And it's like a sweet, florally scent. I don't know. It smells really good. I can't really describe it. This one is a clear liquid, which you will see. The other one, the color is a little bit different. And I also wanted to mention the bottles. I do really love the way that the bottles are made. It just has a simple white label across the front, and the top is magnetic. So whenever you put it on, kind of just snaps into place. And I do really like that they do include the sample. So especially if you do decide that you want to keep it, you will have this small one that you could throw in your purse for touch-ups and stuff like that. And then you have your large one that you can leave at home. With the Dossier fragrance, what I find is that they do smell exactly like the original scents, but to me they just don't stay on as well. Like I feel like I have to touch up during the day with the Dossier scents, so they're not as potent. Yeah, they're not as potent as the original scent. So you know, you're paying a lot more though, so I don't mind having a touch up a little bit throughout the day so I can get that same scent. So then the other one is the Floral 3, and this one is Chanel number 9. The top notes in this one, I believe it's pronounced aldehydes, neroli, lang lang. The middle notes are jasmine and may rose, and the base notes are sandalwood and vetiver. I really like vetiver in a lot of scents. It just gives it like a little musky scent to it, and sandalwood as well. It's kind of like a musky type scent. So you get the sample in this one as well, and then you have your full size. And as you can see, the liquid is more of a yellowish type color compared to the other one. Is this one. And I think this one is a little bit more musky floral than the first one. So yeah, I think they both smell really good. It's really hard to describe scents, especially on camera, because I just want to be like, y'all like it, smell it, like what you think about it. So yeah, that is both of those. I only got 2 scents this time. I usually review 3, and I usually have perfumes to compare it to, but this time, like I said, I got some ones that I've never tried before. So yeah, definitely check out Dossier if you want to be a baddie on a budget and get you some good smelling perfumes for the low low. So yeah, that is it for this video. And if you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.